Sorry, Luke na.
Yang Constantino.
Bam! You are correct! Kaya bumunot kami sa lahat na nag-text ng tamang sagot. Panalo ng 5,000 pesos, see? Congratulations! Welcome back to Panahon Ko To! Okay, our texting lines are now officially closed. Walang naibigay na sagot si Sir Rodrigo ng Team Body Mix. Okay, panahon na para tingnan kung sinong sikat. The correct answer is Elizabeth Taylor, touted as one of Hollywood screen legends, two-time Academy Award winner as Best Actress.
But anyways, you and your team still win 22,500 plus 5,000 because nakabukas ka na isang between. And that's a total of 27,500 pesos. Galing yan sa PNG, of course.
At dahil walang sagot ang Team Body Mix, bukas announce namin kung sinong lucky texter na may tamang sagot ang mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos.
At kung wala naman nag-text with the correct answer, may 2,000 pesos na consolation prize pa rin kaming ipamimigay sa inyo.
Team Body Mix, nag-enjoy ba kayo ngayong umaga? Maraming salamat. Kaya naman Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, salamat sa pagtutok nyo. Sama-sama ulit tayo mag-reminisce bukas kasama mga bagong grupong palaban. I'm Luis Manzano and I would like to thank Designer Whey Protein, Goldshim, Executive Optical, Ray-Ban, Technomarine, Dr. Manny Paikalayan, Doc Neldo, Femia of New Asia, The Fort, Traffic Shoes and Embreto. Maraming salamat. Alexis Marketing Corporation, Miss Jackie and Sir Wilson for my Beats headphones. Maraming salamat at maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanood ng Petrang Kabayo. Congratulations, Vice and Direct Web.
Congratulations. I'm Billy Crawford. Now I would like to thank Human Fly Perfume, Swatch, Unisilver, Kalayan Merger, Ray-Ban, Henry Osal Salon, and Dr. Steve Gan. I'll see you soon, Doctor. See you again tomorrow dito kung saan ang buhay mo ang araw-araw na laman ng kwentuhan. This is
Panahon Ko To, ang game show ng